Filtered through limestone, they create crystal clear pools. And in them live some remarkable fish. Piraputanga. The water is so clear that they're able to see what is going on above its surface. Brown capuchins are up there, looking for a meal. Wherever the monkeys go along the banks, the fish follow. The monkeys are on their daily search for ripe fruit, and the fish cannot by themselves know where that might be. But here it is, and fortunately the monkeys aren't the neatest of feeders. Every scrap is fought over. One monkey has the job of keeping an eye out for danger. Anacondas are the largest of all snakes. They grow to over 200 kilos. But it's not fish that they're after. The scout gives a warning call. That might have to be the end of the monkey's meal for today. And there's still plenty left on the tree. In the monkey's absence, they go for it themselves. Success or failure is just a matter of millimeters. With a split-second adjustment, the fish bends in midair and collects the prize. The Piraputanga's extraordinary feeding technique relies on these waters remaining clear.